Hello everybody, welcome to our Newton's 3 Laws of Motion demonstration. As you can see in this video, we are going to be using a trampoline to simulate how the outside force stops the 3 balls we will be using, which is a rubber ball, a baseball, and a basketball. So as you can see here, Newton's 3 laws, the first law is inertia. So the first law of inertia is where an object at rest stays at rest, or an object in motion stays in motion. As you can see in the first top right picture, there is an object at rest. But it won't stay at rest until our little stick man here applies force to it in the second picture. That ball, if there was no inertia, would go on forever. But there's inertia, so in the third picture, you can see a force stopping the moving object. It doesn't have to be a wall, as it is in the... If you throw the ball in just an open field, gravity and air friction will bring the ball downwards, is what gravity would do, and then the air friction would slow the ball down enough for it to stop. So here we have a basketball hitting our trampoline, and we're going to have it in slow motion. You could see how the trampoline reacted there. The trampoline flew up in the air. Same with the little rubber ball there. Got a couple times. And the baseball is a little bit harder because it has more mass. And then there's the basketball, which is incredibly hard throw. So here we have the bouncy ball, and you can see it fly up in the air, and the reason why it's going back down is because of gravity. Gravity will pull it back down from the law of inertia. So the reason why they're flying up in the air is because of Newton's third law, where every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Did you get that? For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So the way the trampoline or the ground or the wall or whatever you were throwing the object at goes downwards, it doesn't matter what it is, the object moves downwards and then pushes whatever is landing on that back upwards, which is the third law, Newton's third law, the law of action and reaction. And so for the second law is the law of acceleration, where you can see the balls flying downwards here right now, and it's when acceleration is produced when a force acts on a mass or object. The greater the mass of the object being moved, the greater the amount of force needed to move the object. So, force is mass and acceleration. So, the big ball, the big basketball, will bounce higher because it has more force, making a bigger action and reaction, which will make it fly back up higher. And the baseball has less mass, so it doesn't bounce as high. But then the rubber ball bounces very, very non as high as the rest of them, because it has not that much mass. But if you take something with less mass and add more acceleration, the smaller object will bounce even higher than the bigger object did, all because of Newton's laws. So thank you for watching, everybody. These were Newton's 3 laws of motion. Goodbye, everybody.